Welcome to GIS Insight in Elite Geospatial. Today we're making custom legend patches in ArcMap. And for instance, whereby you do not want to use the normal, when you want to create, now you see this polygon here will just show on your legend as polygon. All right. So the way this line is, that's how it's going to show, and the way this line is all going to show, just a matter of changing the colors, and that will be what will appear on the legend. But we do not want that to happen, so we want to customize something of our choice to represent our polygon, our water bodies, and our road, right, or lines, anyone. So I'm just going to make that example with a line and with a polygon. So the polygon, this is the administrative boundary of Takum local government, and these are the road layers in it, and the rivers. Okay, so to get started with this, first what we need to do is that we're going to add our data, which we already added. We've seen it already. Okay, we have three. We have Takum, we have river, that's the administrative boundary, and then we have the road. Okay, so the next we're going to do is that we'll go to customize, and then we'll go to customize mode. Now this makes it to bring out any new tools you want to have, and we're going to just search for new legend. We need new legend page shape, right? So once you have it, you just drag it like this and bring it up here. Right, I have it up here, so I'm just going to show. Just anywhere you want to fix it, it's fine. Anything like that, you can fix it anywhere. So once you do that, you close this. Now next we are going to click on the new legend patch, and then you have a choice whether it's an area, which is polygon, or a line, which is the line, all right? So let's start with the polygon, which what we have here as polygon is the Takum. Now let's test, for instance, if we have more than a local government here, we could either use all or we select and we use visible. All right, so let's use visible. Now once you have that, and then you now click on create. So it's going to create a custom, just the way the administrative boundary of that place is. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to click add to style list, style set. Okay, so we'll just make this Takum. We'll just leave it like that, and we'll click on save. And next we go to line, and then we select the river first, and then we do the same. We'll click on create patch. Then we'll also go to say river. All right, then we'll click on OK. Then we change this on the line to, now change it to road, and do the same thing. Click on create first. So it's going to create every road that you have there. So whatever you have on it is exactly what will come out. So let's say we want to just select one or two roads so that we don't have to make it that rowdy. That's what, so that it can just represent the way the road is, something like that. So it won't really necessarily be this road like that. So just grab our selection tool here, and let's look for something that look really nice. So let's select this. No, I don't like that. Let's select this. Common. Okay, let's select this. Now we grab our new legend part again, go to area, and then we go to line, then we make it road, and then we make it selected. So we click on create patch. So you see it just created this one, only this. So we just click on add it. Don't add it to just say RD. All right, then we'll click on OK, and then we'll close this down. Now we're going to bring back everything we have. All right, and let's deselect. All right, so next we go to our layout to have this produced. Okay, and let's make this bigger. Our constitution is not, our focus is not to produce map, right? Our focus is just to make sure that the legends are showing. All right, that's our main focus on this video. So now we'll go to insert, and then we go to legend. Now we have these 3 items which we want them to show on our legend, so we can just make it 2, and we'll go next, go next, go next. Now under this line, the lines here, we have our Takum on the area, isn't it? Sorry, under the area, sorry, no verse. We select Takum, then under rivers, we come on the line and we select rivers. Then we go to this road, then we change it to RD, the road we just created. So when you go next and click on finished, you will see your, let me zoom in so that we see it. You will see that your legend are actually in representation of what you have. And in various of my video, I've quite kind of taught you guys how you can really work on this, but the color it's coming here is actually the color is adopted from here. So whatever you want to do before you create this, you change it before you start creation, because this now becomes the color that we're having here for this. So now anything you do here becomes whatever it is. So let me delete this and do something and see. I don't think it's going to change, but let's just do it anyway. So let's make this road, and then let's make this for river. Let's select for river and then make it 1, and then let's change this to, let's change it to this one will not really change it. We can just make it a plain kind of something. So let's make it hollow, but I'm not sure that will change because what we have saved already may not really eventually carry those color no more. So which means you have to change this before you perform that task. But then let's go ahead and give it a try. I'm not sure that is going to change, but let's go. So it's not changing, so no problem. But I just had to explain that for you to get my point. All right, so this is under area, and then we'll select this, and then we'll finish. So once you have that done, you will see that your legend will come in those custom way. Oh, actually it did change. Oh, that's nice. Okay, that's nice. So it's going to come in that costume details you have. So don't forget, I always have what I want. So you right click on this and convert it to graphics so that you can have further edit. Right, then you right click again, you ungroup. Okay, so next is that you're going to just right click and ungroup this so that you can get to edit this and remove that clip that is there. So you go to properties and then you remove the clip. All right, so you can decide to now put maybe like this, then you're okay, so that this can now go front here instead of just going to do that for this so that the video don't get too long. So this become our road instead of those ones we have previously. So you do the same thing here, you ungroup this, but mind you, anytime you ungroup it's no longer become an automatic update, so you will be the one that will do virtually everything manually. All right, so we also move this way. So guys, I guess this video will be maybe of help to you. So you just follow this example and do what I just do to give your map a stunning kind of look. All right, so this is what I have for you guys today, and don't forget to like, share, comment, like this video, send it to as many people as possible, and I will definitely see you in the next video, because we're going to be bombarding you in this month with many contacts. So this is how you're going to make your custom patches. This has been saved, so anytime I want to do something, I can just easily go with it. So thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.